So go to File, New, Project. So give the name as PHWR, Precision Half-Wave Rectifier. OK. Create a blank project. OK. So now you'll be getting a new window. Now we'll start placing the components. So place part. So first component is your 741 op amp. So select that part, place it over here. Next is place resistors. So you're going to take a resistor, take it as R analog. OK. So in your analog, you're going to have your for your inverting mode, you're going to have this compensating resistor, and it's going to be used in your inverting amplifier configuration. So we'll have it here. Then N mode. So next afterwards, again take place. We need diodes for rectification. So we are going to take diodes. So in this diode, we are going to take your 1N4002. OK. So place your diode in your pin number 6. Vertically rotated. So place it here. N mode. Next is your sine waveform we need as the input signal. So V sine, we have taken the V sine. Take this and place it in your input side. Next is we need voltage sources. So we'll take it as VDC. So take your VDC, mirror it vertically, because 7th pin should be your plus VCC and 4th pin should be your minus VCC. So now we have placed the VCC. Next is we have to ground it. So for grounding it, we'll take your ground from here. So the ground should be 0 volts. So 0 source you have to select. OK. So place the ground over here. So one ground. So this is a second ground. This you can have it as your third ground. And next one, so you can rotate it. So you can place the ground there. So all the grounds you have placed. Now take place wire connected. So this 6th pin to this diode. Next one is from here to this end. Next one is pin number 2 to this resistor. Next one is from this one to your input voltage source. Then this resistor to ground. So this resistor other end should be to your feedback path. Next is from here to your diode there. From your pin number 7 to this one. So next is this pin number 2. And delete it because it is. I will take the ground. 0 source. Okay, place it here. N mode. So now this resistor value should be 10K. Okay, this resistor value should be 10K. Okay, and this VDC should be 15 volts. This VDC should be 15 volts. Okay, next one is this V off is 0. Okay, so this V amplitude is 1 volt. Okay, this frequency is 50 hertz. Okay, so now we have fixed all this. Now we are going to simulate it. So go to Pspice, new simulation profile. You can give it as PHWR1. Any one name you can give, created. Then Pspice, edit simulation. So in an edit simulation, you'll be having one. Here you go to your analysis time domain. You give it as 0.06 seconds. 0.06 seconds. And the step size to be 0.01 seconds. Apply. Okay. So now you give your voltage marker. So this voltage marker you are going to give it here 1, and this is at the output and this is going to be at the input. So now we'll run the program. So we have got, you can see that your red color is going to be the input waveform and green color is going to be the half-wave rectifier output waveform. So during a negative cycle, you are going to get the output waveform. This is your half-wave rectifier.